As most of the places are still closed with the expansion of COVID cases, I was sitting back at my home and cleaning my PC and found few old games which invoked the memories of younger me, and I decided to play them. I found RoadRash and many other mini games that I used to play in my younger life. I'm still young, nearing 20s. Initially, as I pressed the play, I wasn't able to launch the game as something was broken and even Google was unable to find the error code that appeared. It was first time in my life Google returned with 0 results. And then I tweaked some code files and it was running again. But here's a fun fact. The graphics aren't appealing, nor it was good for eyes. But why? So I thought of making the video about it. Why do older games look so bad on new hardware? There are games that still look great and worth playing. They are mainly old AAA titles like the GTA, the FIFA, the CSGO, but the games which weren't AAA doesn't look much appealing now. They may look like a scattered pixels or frames that just stick together. They lag a lot. The basic reason for all this is that the screen resolution doesn't match at all. The times when the games were released, 480p screens were a luxury. If you want to learn more about the screen resolutions, we are making a video on it. Make sure to subscribe to get notified. So when 480p is a luxury, games would run to that resolution the max. Running them on a modern 1080p or a 4K display makes your system to upscale the graphic settings, resulting in scattered pixels or load times and other errors. Lowering your screen resolution won't help either unless you shift back to the same operating system that is compatible the maximum with the game. Modern operating systems are running on 64-bit structures and older versions were either written on 32-bit or 16-bit, or if we talk earlier it was 8-bit. Most old games except the AAA titles are 16-bit compatible. So you need to set up 16-bit systems to run these older games. Once you do that, next issue of aspect ratio arises. Remember old screens as square boxes of 4:3 ratio compared to the modern 16:9 ratio you have on your smartphone? Okay, then now big question comes. Then how can we get better graphics for the classic or say old games? The answer is quite obvious and simple. You need to start tweaking as the issue starts because it's specific to every game. First, change the screen resolution to what the game supports the maximum. The highest supported resolution can be found in the official game sites that are still up and running. Second one that you can do is search for scripts or codes that are available on the internet for making the bit version of your PC and placing it in the game file that's compatible. The third is a rare chance, but if a game developer re-release the entire game making it compatible with the newer desktops just like the GTA did for the Sony PS5, most AAA titles would run on your modern PC as they are compatible of adjusting to the newer hardware. So I hope you will now be able to understand and play your classic games. Which game you still want to play, let me know in the comments below. I might have them and share with you guys. Keep loving by hitting the like button and I will try my best to bring the best out of me for you guys. Now I have to go. My bike race in RoadRash is going to begin. See you. And yes, subscribe.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then.